Megha Shukla's style will have you gasping for air. It is that good. On social media, Megha Shukla shares glimpses of her life and style. Her followers appreciate her ability to inspire. To give us outstanding fashion choices is her style sets her apart from others. Each piece she wears tells a story and portrays creative flair. Her wardrobe reflects vibrant colors and bold designs, making every appearance special. Megha Shukla is quickly becoming a beloved figure in the entertainment industry. She has impressed many with her acting talent and cheerful personality. Her journey started with small roles in television series. Despite facing challenges, she has worked hard to grow her career. She captures the audience's attention with her performances and charisma. On social media, Megha Shukla shares glimpses of her life and style. Her followers appreciate her ability to inspire. Through her posts, she promotes self expression and individuality. This connection with her audience helps her resonate more with fans. Her online presence adds to her charm and appeal. Recently, Megha Shukla posted a adorable picture on Instagram. She wore a beautiful black dress that highlighted her elegance. The pictures are just adorable. Keep an eye on Megha Shukla to have the best style choices. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.